What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Aisha, and I'm back with another hair review video. In today's video, I will be reviewing tape and extensions from Amazon. This is the company, the box it comes in, and I had got 3 boxes. I got a 22-inch, a 20, and I believe a 18. This is the 22-inch. I didn't bring all boxes downstairs because I feel like, they all look the same. So in the box, each box came with a pair of lashes that I'm probably not going to use, or I may double them up since they gave me so many and then put them on. I don't know yet. And then each box also came with the care booklet. Tell you the steps on how to do it, all that good stuff. It walks you through everything. They have like all sorts of other things, other colors, and all that good stuff. And I just dropped it. Anyway, so I do have a few left. I did not record me doing it because my kids were like running around and it was just horrible. So these are the tape ends. These are what they look like coming out of the box. Excuse my nails, I'm taking them off. These are what they look like coming out the box. And then so 2 of them makes a sandwich. So you would take the tape off of this one, section your hair, like a very small section, put it underneath, and then well, I guess I could show you guys really quick. So just say you would take this much of a section, not too little but not too much, so because you want to make sure the sandwich like squishes. So you would take the tape off. In this case I'm just demonstrating, and then you would lay it underneath like so, and then you would take this tape off and then lay it on top like so. And those 2 become one, and you would take your flat irons and then just press it down. So the color that I got was a 2 and a 6 mixed because my hair is colored. I'm also going to show a clip of me washing them, shampooing them, and I blow dry them, and then I flat iron it because the hair is extremely, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's extremely silky. So I should have co-washed it before I even put it in my head, but once again I was excited to apply them. So I can like go in and show you like a piece. So I'm gonna go in and show you guys a piece, and this is one. So I don't know if you can really see it or tell, but like I said, I did shampoo these while they were in my head, and they're still intact. The only thing I don't like is I cut my hair in the front and make bangs. And I didn't like it. I didn't like it, so I kind of just push it back until it grows back, because my whole plan is to cut all the color off eventually. So gradually I just keep cutting the color off. So yeah, so that's why those pieces are like sticking up, and I kind of just push them back. I could do a side part, which I wanted to show you guys, but with my hair being short in the front, I just kind of gotta comb it through and then find my parts. Okay. So I kind of like the side part. It's really cute. And as you can see, I'm covering up everything so nothing is showing. I'm kind of going to show you guys the back if I can. So as you see, it blends somewhat good with the color that I have, but I am able to pull it up in the back. I can put it in a full ponytail, and I can switch sides if I want it. So I just will have to, of course, find my part. I'm looking for my comb. So I have to, of course, find my part wherever I placed it. So I could do a side part, a middle part, no part if I really wanted to. I'm just kind of playing with it. I can do no part if I wanted to. So I really like it. It's convenient, and like I said, I was super excited to put them in. So yeah. So I'm sure you guys want to see like a high pony. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I did put layers throughout it because I just didn't like how when it first comes in the pack, it's really like blunt cut. Like each bundle is a blunt cut, and I really didn't like that. So I did go in with my shears and I did some layers. Now I am a cosmetologist. I have my license. But even if you don't have your license, you can still do this. Like, it's not rocket science. Like, I really wish I would have recorded it because it was really easy. It only took me about an hour and a half maybe to do it. But with my kids, I have 3 boys and they just run around. Like, I'm right now it's quiet. Yeah, they're upstairs doing something they're not supposed to, I think. I'm just kidding, they're eating. But as you can see, like, it looks like me, right? No? Maybe, maybe not. Could be. So I wanted to give my front a break from the headband wigs because I felt like my edges were leaving me. I'm not sure if that could be the cause or not, but I felt like my edges were leaving me, so I wanted to try something different. And I'm so tired of sew-ins. As I said in the previous video of doing the headband wigs, I'm so tired of sew-ins. But the only thing I don't like is because I cut my bangs. I really hate that I cut my bangs. I mean, I'm gonna show a clip and you tell me what's better, the bangs or no bangs. I'm gonna insert a picture of me with my bangs 2 weeks ago when I first cut my hair. But the bangs, I'm like, yeah, no, that's not me. So right now I'm just trying to fix my part. I should have brought my rat tail comb down here. But hey. So if I end up having to replace one, then I will tape that and show you guys how I insert them. But like I said, it is pretty simple, pretty easy. I like it. It's convenient. I can wear my hair up, down, half up, half down, however I want, as I showed you guys. But as of right now, I love them. I don't have no bad reports about the company. This is not sponsored. They didn't. I purchased the hair with my own money. So it's not sponsored or anything, but yeah. So tell me what you guys think. I know I should have did a video of me actually installing them. But like I said before, my kids were running around, and I know nobody wants to hear all that in the YouTube video. They're just gonna skip over. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done it already. And if you want to see more hair videos, more hair tutorials, just tell me what you want to see and I'll try to help. But till next time, bye.